Welcome to FCI Construction. At FCI, we strive to serve our employees, customers, and community. We pride ourselves in quality craftsmanship, which happens due to dedicated people like you. Together as a team, we can build better. Every person, every place, every time. As you watch this safety orientation video, you will learn some of our most important job site and safety rules. Please pay attention as there is a brief knowledge test at the end. This training is important for your safety and the safety of those around you. Thank you for joining the FCI team. We're so glad to have you.
Safety is everyone's responsibility. Hazards should be reported and corrected as soon as possible. Report all accidents, injuries, and near misses to your supervisor immediately. Every job site trailer has an emergency action and site safety plan. This document will give you information about what to do in the event of an emergency. Information includes job site address, site contacts, emergency phone numbers, and the location of the nearest medical facility. FCI's personal protective equipment, PPE, requirements are as follows: hard hat, safety glasses, high visibility outerwear, work boots, long pants, and a sleeved shirt. These items must be worn at all times while on the job site. Additional PPE, such as hearing protection, fall protection, gloves, and air monitoring devices may be required according to your assigned task. Always check with your supervisor if additional PPE is needed. All PPE must be regularly inspected and replaced if worn or damaged. There are many fall hazards on a construction site. Some examples of these hazards include falls from scaffolding, ladders and stairs, aerial lifts, uneven ground and trip hazards, slippery working surfaces, open excavations or floor openings. All holes in walking working surfaces over 2 inches in diameter need to be securely covered and marked whole. You must use personal fall protection arrest systems when working at or above 6 feet unless the area is properly guarded. Consult your supervisor about acceptable tie-off points. Be sure to inspect your body harness and fall arrest equipment before each use. Fall arrest equipment should be free of any damage or fraying. Scaffolding must be inspected daily by a competent person before use. Scaffolds must have a green or red tag attached to the access point. Green tags mean the scaffold has been inspected by a competent person and is safe to use. Red tags mean the scaffold is not safe for use and access is prohibited. Inspect all ladders prior to use. Rungs and rails should be clean and free from any damage. Remove any defective ladders from service. Step ladders must be fully open with spreaders locked during use. Extension ladders must extend 3 feet above the walking working surface. Ensure the ladder is placed at a 4:1 ratio and secure the ladder to prevent any shifting. Stairways shall be kept clear and free of debris. Temporary and permanent stairs must include a handrail. A metal stairwell must not be used when pans are not filled. FCI uses ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCI, as the method to prevent possible electrocution. Be sure to use GFCIs at the source of the power. In addition to the use of GFCI protected circuits, all electrical equipment and tools in use on the construction sites must be either double insulated or equipped with a 3-prong plug. Inspect electric cords and extension cords prior to every use. Remove tools and electrical cords from service immediately if they are damaged or missing the 3rd prong. Do not repair cords with electrical or other types of tape. Avoid laying cords over sharp edges, across pinch points, or in wet areas. Always be aware of overhead electric lines and maintain a minimum 10-foot clearance. Hand tools and power tools must be properly maintained. Guards, cords, and handles need to be inspected before use. Safety guards should never be removed. Any damaged tool should be tagged with a "Do Not Operate" sticker and taken out of service. remember to use the correct tool for the job. FCI equipment such as aerial lifts, material handlers, and heavy equipment can only be operated by trained and authorized employees. Be aware of all moving equipment and any potential blind spots. Equipment inspections shall be completed daily, and any concerns reported to your supervisor. Fire extinguishers are available at all job sites. You may find them in job trailers, company trucks, and placed around the site for ease of access. If you need to use an extinguisher, please remember the pass method. Pull the locking pin, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, sweep back and forth in a slow and steady motion. If at any time you doubt your ability to extinguish a fire, please call 911. A written hazard communication program is maintained at FCI. All chemical product containers must be properly labeled and be in approved storage containers. A copy of all chemicals used at FCI can be found on the FCI website under the Safety subheading. Please ask your superintendent if you have any questions regarding the chemicals you are exposed to during work. As the person closest to the work, and as the person most affected by any unsafe practice or unsafe work, you are primarily responsible for your own safety. Our goal is to keep you and everyone around you safe.